Hi everyone, I am so happy to be here on Regent Seven Seas Voyager. I'm traveling as a guest for the next 10 days and I'm in cabin 961, which is a penthouse suite. And I'm so happy to give you a tour of this room. I'm here with my butler. Hi,
This is Ratish.
Hi Ratish.
I am your butler. I will be your butler for this cruise. Welcome on board.
Thank you. All right, let's take on a tour of this beautiful cabin.
Welcome to Regent Seven Seas.
Thank you.
So my name is Ratish. I will be your butler for this cruise. May I take a few moments of your time to introduce the suite facilities and the ship's facilities?
Thank you. Looking forward to hearing about it. I might ask you some questions while you go, so don't be afraid.
Yeah, certainly, I'm ready to.
Okay, thank you. All right, show us around.
Before I start, would you like to have a glass of champagne along with the compliments with the chef?
Thank you. I'll try some a little later after the tour,
right.
but thank you for asking.
So I would like to start from the writing desk and collaterals.
Okay.
So since you are the first timer, so I would like you to welcome to the Regent family. This is the welcome letter from Andrea Di Marco, our president of Regent Seven Seas Cruise.
Okay.
And as you see, I have placed your tour tickets and your destination service form. In case would you like to do any changes or any cancellation, I would be happy to assist you.
Okay.
Our destination service desk is in deck 5, midship.
Great. And I noticed that I also had a letter because I'm vegetarian, and they've noted that they have that. That's great.
That's good. And this is called the Passage. This is our daily newsletter on board.
Okay.
So this will have all the information about the events, activities, and the port details, and along with our dining information.
Great.
So this will be placed in your bedside during turn down service,
Okay.
along with the breakfast card.
Okay.
If you wish to have your breakfast in the suite in your privacy, I would be happy to serve you. You can fill up the breakfast card and leave it outside the door before you retire to your bed.
Perfect. And you typically clean the room twice per day, in the morning?
We do a morning service and the evening turn down service.
Okay. Great. Okay, so tell me what's in this box?
I'm gonna just
do
one by one.
Oh,
So
okay, perfect.
this is the canopy menu. So I would be taking your canopy orders, which will be served between 5 to 7 in the evening.
Okay.
You can let me know the canopy what you like to have before 11:30 in the morning.
Okay.
And then I would like to know you have any dietary restriction. So since you already mentioned you are a vegetarian, so there are vegetarian canopy options for
Perfect.
you. Okay, and along with that, I have also placed you the Conazio wine menu.
Okay.
So we do have complimentary wines on board, but if you like to purchase any wines, you can let me know. I would be happy to assist you on that.
Great.
And then you can get in touch with me by dialing the butler button.
Oh, the butler button.
Yes,
Okay, perfect.
the green which is there.
Okay.
And then my work timing, I start 7 in the morning on the sea days
Okay.
until 12:30, and then in the evening 5 to 10 I will be available.
Okay.
And in this port days, I start 6 in the morning and until 11:30, and in the evening I will be available from 5 to 10. During my break time, my duty butler, my colleague, will be happy to serve.
Okay. So you have someone covering while you're
Yes,
on
when
break.
I'm off duty, so somebody
Good.
is there to assist you.
Perfect.
Excellent. And then this is our Regent box.
Okay. What's in a Regent box?
So this Regent box, this teddy is for you to carry.
Thank you.
So I'd just like to open and show you. So this Regent box has a cleansing facial wipes. There's a stain removal. There's a Loxathon. We have a hand moisturizer and a lip balm.
Okay.
And you have a eye mask.
Okay.
And then you have your glass cleanser, your pedicure, manicure.
Okay.
So you can use it for you. And then this is the Bluetooth speaker,
Okay.
which you can connect your phone and you can enjoy your music.
Okay.
So I would like to introduce my stewardess. She will be coming to clean the suite. Her name is Julie,
Okay.
and along with her assistant Komang will be coming
Okay.
to service your suite.
Okay. So the difference is the stewardesses are cleaning the cabin, and
Cabin
you're
is
helping
working.
to assist with the experience.
Yes, I take care of your beverage, food, whatever you like to order. I will be there to serve you.
Okay.
So their work timings, they start 8 in the morning until 2, and then in the evening they start at 6 until 9:30 they'll be available.
Perfect. Okay.
And I would like to take you there.
Oh, sure.
So the TV remote controls are there.
Okay.
So
That in that gray
in the
folder there.
folder there.
Okay.
Folder out there. Okay. And I would like to ask you. I hope you have watched the safety mandatory.
I have
video.
watched the safety video. Yes.
However, when we turn on the TV, the safety video, it's mandatory to watch again.
Okay.
And then I hope you have checked in your muster station.
I've already done that. I had to get in C, muster station C, which is by the
Which
Chartreuse
is by the
restaurant.
Chartreuse restaurant.
Yeah.
In deck 5 aft.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, great.
And,
Coffee.
This is-
Coffee is very important,
Yes.
so I'm glad that's here.
this is a Yeli coffee espresso machine.
Okay.
So this will dispense you espressos.
Okay.
So the red capsules are the regular ones, and the blue capsules are the decafe.
Okay.
And we have a choice of sugar, and we have a coffee mate.
Okay.
And I will be replenishing the fruits every day, morning and evening.
Okay.
If you have any preference, please do let me know. And then these are freshly filled Vero water,
Okay.
which are ultra purified water. And these are Vero sports bottle. You can carry when you're going ashore,
Okay.
and you can carry when you're on the ship. You're going to the gym or going for a walk, you can carry. And we have refilling stations in the gangway. There
Okay.
will be somebody to assist you.
Perfect.
And as per your online request, I have also placed you a bottle of Grey Goose and a bottle of Crown Royal.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Excellent.
And I noticed there's on the other side by the desk, there's the
Yes.
refrigerator that has.
Yes, I would like to show you that as well. So you have requested for Diet Sprite. We have a Diet Coke Light. I have placed you a ginger ale. In case if you like to have some ginger ale diet, I have placed you also.
Thank you.
I'll be replenishing ice in the morning and the evening.
Okay. I do like to have ginger ale with my Crown Royal, so that's perfect.
Excellent,
Thank you.
excellent.
And looks like
So-
we have a TV here, and this
Yes.
will swivel out if I want to watch in
Yes,
bed
I
or.
would like to explain you about the television, how it works. So
Sure.
once you turn on, you're gonna see the mandatory video. After that, you will get a screen where you can check your account, where you have the menus of all the dining options,
Okay.
and you have the spa menu. If you like to have any bookings for the spa, I'm happy to assist you on there. And then you will get all the details. There are inbuilt movies there which you can watch. And I would like to say about the restaurant options what you have.
Mm-hmm.
We have Compost Rose, that is our main dining restaurant, which is in deck 4, which you don't need any reservation. And we have deck 11. In deck 11 we have La Veranda, which is open for lunch, breakfast and dinner. And in the dinner it turns into Settimari. It's an Italian restaurant.
Okay.
So these two restaurants you don't need reservation, first come first serve. And we do have two specialty restaurants, which is Chartreuse and Prime 7. Chartreuse is a modern French cuisine, and then we have Prime 7, which is American steakhouse. I see you have a booking for Chartreuse on March 18th.
Yes, at the end of the cruise, and I have Prime 7 tonight.
Tonight, yes.
But it's okay. I'm sure they have something on the menu they'll accommodate me in.
Yes, and we do have a in-room dining menu. Which
Okay.
you can,
And that's on the television to see the room
Yes.
service menu? And do I call you, or is there a button on the phone?
Butler, you can reach me whenever.
Okay, so I order the room service from the butler.
Yes, from
Okay.
me as well.
Okay, great.
So
Okay, so let's check out the bathroom and
I
the
would like to
closet.
show the closet first.
Yes.
So this is your life jacket, which is placed, and the muster station is mentioned in the life jacket also.
Mm-hmm.
This is a Kashmiri blanket,
Okay.
which you can use it for you. And these are laundry bags. The laundry timings, if the laundry which you drop before 9 a.m., you will get it on the same day.
Okay.
The laundry you drop after 9 a.m., you will get it on the next day, the following day.
Okay.
Your laundry washing and pressing is complimentary. However, dry cleaning, if you're using, the charges are applicable.
So washing and pressing's included in my suite.
Yes.
But if I need like a suit dry clean, then there's a charge for
Yes,
that.
the
Okay.
charges are mentioned in the laundry.
Okay. Good. I have some dirty clothes already I can give you. So.
Yeah, certainly. And this is a hat dryer for you to use, but this hat dryer to be only used in the vanity counter.
Okay.
To work only.
It's okay. I don't have a lot of hair to hair dry, but if I did, it's good that I have
Yes.
an option.
And this is your safe lock,
Okay.
and you can follow the safe instruction.
Okay. So just
to-
4-digit code. And,
Yes. And
Okay.
This is and we have souvenir kit, shoe shiner, and a
Shoe horn, okay.
Yes.
All right. And it looks like there's lots of hangers, and if I needed more, you can bring me more?
Yes, certainly.
Okay. And then what is that hanging on that hanger
this is
here?
a tote bag, which
Tote
you can
bag.
carry
Okay.
whenever you go outside for the excursion.
Oh, okay. So it's like a little.
It's like
you
can
could put
open
you.
and it big, so big bag.
So you could put your souvenirs you purchase, your
Yes,
bottle of water, your
bottle of water,
sunscreen, something like that.
and
Okay.
You can leave it in there. And
Very nice.
And the muster stations are mentioned in your key card
Mm-hmm.
and behind your door and the life jacket.
Okay, perfect.
And this is the thermostat, the temperature controller. So you have anti-clockwise, you get the colder.
Uh-huh.
And if you want the temperature to be warmer, you can move clockwise.
Okay, perfect.
And in the toilet, we have placed, you can go and I can explain you.
Sure.
So these are the Guerlain, which
Okay.
you can use it for you. And there is a red box in here, which is very important if you're using anything.
Oh, if you need sharps disposal.
Any sharps, disposal, medicinal
Okay.
waste, you can let me know.
Okay.
Distributors to clear. And there are some L'Occitane.
So you have L'Occitane and you have
Guerlain.
Guerlain. Okay, so you have choice if you
Yes,
want one or
choice.
the other. Okay. And it looks like, so we have a single sink here, but lots of shelving for storage. We have some glasses here. We have a separate tub with a wand, and then we also have a stand-up shower. Okay, so plenty of places to wash yourself. Okay, beautiful. Well, and then we have the outdoor space.
Yes,
You want to show me
I would
that?
like to show you how to operate the door. So you just have to lift up
Okay,
and then just drag it.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, very nice. And here we are in Buenos Aires, about to leave on this cruise up to Uruguay and Brazil. So we have a couple of loungers here and a table, and if the weather's nice, I can have my breakfast out on the veranda, right?
Certainly.
Okay. Well, Ratish, thank you so much
Once
for
again,
this
welcome
tour.
on board. Once again, welcome on board. Looking forward to enjoy the cruise.
Thank you very much. Appreciate the tour and looking forward to
Do you have any
spending.
questions for me?
I am great. You did such a thorough job. I don't think I have any more questions right now, but I
If
know
you need any assistance,
the butler
please
button.
call me.
Yeah, I
And
will.
would like to know, I hope you connected with your Wi-Fi. If you need any assistance, please do let me know.
Thank you so much, and thank you everyone for watching.